Welcome, growers! This video is about how to assemble a Radix. In this video, we will cover the materials needed, Radix components, the assembly process, electrical cables, water entry and exit. It takes 2 people to build a Radix. You will also need a rubber mallet, ladders or step stools, and enough room to spread out parts. The Radix comes in 2 versions, propagation and vegetative. These 2 versions differ in the light spectrum, spacer height, and come with different accessories. This is how a single Radix will arrive. Here we have a standard vegetative Radix, so we have 5 grow beds and the canopy. Smaller parts are nested in between the stacked grow beds. The number of parts will depend on your order. Please check your packing list to verify the correct quantity of parts. Please refer to page 5 of the Radix user manual for parts names and images. When built, the electrical cables that connect the grow beds run through the spacers in the front left corner. These are called T-cables and will be installed during assembly. There are a few identifying marks that will help you assemble a Radix correctly. The SANANBIO sticker indicates the front of the grow bed. This is the side of the grow bed with the cable harness. The sticker on the side of each grow bed with lights indicates the grow bed as even or odd. It is important to alternate these layers to ensure proper water flow. This sticker also indicates the spectrum of the light bars inside. The underside of each grow bed has a part number which indicates the outlet. When upside down, the part number is on the front left corner. When upside right, this corner is indented to help water drain out of the grow bed. Before starting to assemble, divide parts into groups. The canopy and bottom grow bed, even and odd grow beds stacked separately with the lights facing up, spacers, bottom legs, bottom caps, and leveling feet, and all electrical cords. The growing accessories are not needed for assembly and can be put to the side. First, lay the bottom grow bed without lights on a flat surface with the grid-like structure facing up. Identify the part number on the underside of the grow bed in the left-hand corner. Both bottom legs with outlets will go on the long side of the grow bed with the part number. Place bottom legs with outlet over the grow bed corners with the outlet facing in towards the grow bed. Place the 2 bottom legs on the remaining corners. Screw a leveling foot into the bottom support cap until flush. Slide 1 bottom support cap over each bottom support leg and press down. Flip the grow bed over so that the bottom legs with outlets are in the front. This will be the front of the module. Retrieve an even layer grow bed and lay on a flat surface with the lights facing up. Secure a spacer in each corner and flip the grow bed over. Verify that the electrical connector is in the front left corner and push down to secure all 4 corners. Connect the extension cable to the connector on the cable harness inside the grow bed. At this point, the electrical connector should be in the front left corner and the even layer sticker on the side should align with the bottom outlet on the front right. Next, retrieve an odd layer grow bed and lay it on a flat surface with the lights facing down so that the electrical connector is in the front left corner. Connect the center connector of a T-cable to the connector in the grow bed. Feed the long end of the T-cable down through the grow bed corner. Fit the center of the cable in the corner so that the short end sticks up from the grow bed. Flip the grow bed over and secure a spacer in each corner, feeding the long end of the T-cable through the spacer. Flip the grow bed and place on the second grow bed. Connect the cables from each grow bed and tuck the access cables inside the spacer to avoid pinching. Align all 4 corners and push down to secure the grow bed. Repeat these steps for the remaining even and odd layers. As you build, use the stickers to verify that even and odd layers alternate. When all the grow beds have been installed, the final step is to connect the canopy. Place the canopy on a flat surface with lights facing down so that the electrical connector is in the front left corner. Connect the center connector of a T-cable to the connector in the canopy. Feed the long end of the T-cable down through the corner. Fit the center of the cable in the corner so that the short end sticks up. Flip the canopy over and secure a spacer in each corner. Flip over and place on top the grow bed. Connect the electrical cables and secure the canopy onto the top grow bed. Use your rubber mallet to tap down canopy and all grow beds until they are secure. Here is our fully assembled 5-layer Radix. When built correctly, the bottom leg with outlet connects to the outlet corner of the bottom grow bed. The second grow bed has an even sticker and does not have an outlet in the corner. The third grow bed has an odd sticker and has an outlet in the corner. This pattern should repeat to the top of the module. Next, we will connect the Radix to an electrical source. For a single module, connect the power cord to the exposed end of the T-cable in the canopy. For multiple modules, you will receive an interconnection cord and a power cord. Modules can be placed either back-to-back or in a row. Use the interconnection cord to connect to the T-cables at the top of 2 modules. Connect the power cord to the orange connector on the interconnection cable. This power cord has an exposed end that will allow you to wire the cord to fit your power source. The last connector at the end will connect to another interconnection cord. If unneeded, cover the connector with the cap to prevent exposure to moisture. The Quick Connect cap should be used to cover any exposed electrical connectors. If you need to remove a light bar, turn off the lights, remove the light holder cap, disconnect the light bar from the internal cable harness, and connect the Quick Connect cap. Return the light connector into the reciprocal and replace the light holder cap. The water entry point depends on the number of grow beds per module. Do not include the canopy when determining the number of grow beds. Modules with an odd number of grow beds should have water enter the back left corner of the canopy. Modules with an even number of grow beds should have water enter the front right corner of the canopy. If water does not flow into the top grow bed when turned on, your plumbing is misplaced. Please see our video on water flow for more information on how to plumb your Radix. Thanks for watching. Please contact us with questions or for additional support.